It's moving day. Today's the day that we get the keys to our apartment and I'm so excited. I have no voice because I'm a little sick. I don't know what's going on, but let's go get the keys to our new place. We're moving! Okay, the voice is so bad. We're on our way to get the keys to our place, and then we gotta move all day.
Yeah, it's about to be a long one, but
it is. It's very hot out today. It's gonna be like 30 degrees, and it's a walk up, so
oh yeah, we gotta go up those stairs.
we're gonna be putting in some work. And I got 4 hours of sleep because I finished working and I went to bed at 4 a.m. So we're gonna need to go to Empty Cup and get a coffee.
Oh yeah, I was already on the plane.
And yeah, but can't wait to show you guys the place and see what these decors look like in person, because I've been buying stuff, but I don't know how it's gonna look.
It's gonna look fantastic. We got the soldiers coming with us too, so she gets some time to rest. Hopefully.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, hey. Welcome to my crib. Yeah. Oh, this is her. She's super cute. This is the main entryway. This is the empty apartment tour before we move everything in. So let's go. So this is the main dining area. We're gonna put a table, some shelves, you know. And then we've got our living space. We've got a nice fireplace. It doesn't work though. They're gonna decommission it. And then they left us this nice thing for our TV. And then we've got the balcony here. Nice, spacious. You got a nice tree to look at. That's great. We have the kitchen. This barn door. We have some storage and a water tank. Super exciting. Then we have our kitchen here. Lots of space for me to cook. Lots of space to cook. So that would be great. And this is the bathroom. Nice and spacious. Lots of storage, which we love. A little loud, the AC, but it's the bedroom. Lots of space. There's a closet where I can put all my stuff. Oh, they really beauty shelves too. Great. Laundry. Oh my god. Turn the light on for me, thank you. Upstairs, because you know, we got 2 stories over here. Loft area, and I'm gonna make lots of videos up here. Don't fall down the stairs. And the nice sunlight. Are you kidding? It's so nice, and it's just so spacious. And this was like the selling point for us. The high ceilings. This is how we're gonna communicate to each other. Hello? Bring me snacks. Thank you. And then in here, this is also a big selling point. Before, when they were showing us around, I'm like, now this is my house. Look at it. It's so big. We can put everything in here.
A lot of space.
Amazing. Well, that's the end of the tour. Can't wait to show you guys when it's finished. But we need to go get some coffee, food. And then we gotta start moving all day. Yay!
Absolutely.
Yes.
Let's get this.
Yay! It's time to start. They got us a cute little welcome home. Let's get it.
Get it.
Coffee is secured. I had to get the large because
Don't sip that shit too fast.
you know. Yes. It needs to give me the energy for the day. My moving vlog. Here we go. Maya's here to help, thank God. Like, what would we do without her? Honestly, don't know what to do with myself. The guys are lifting the big stuff. So, you know, but we gotta take some of the boxes. That's what we're gonna do. I guess you just grab any one. Yeah. How's it feeling? Light enough? Oh. It's heavy.
Is it heavy?
It's close.
It's weird.
Yeah.
There's like 2 shirts in there. He's like, oh my God. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on. They call her MM, moving Maya. Okay, we made it. It's time to start unloading and doing these stairs. Yeah, good. Get ready, stretch. Yeah. We've got the first load. We've got 3 trucks full. And we're heading there to do all the 10 million stairs. So that was actually pretty quick to get everything in though. So yes, let's go boys. Killing it. Do you love it?
I love it.
And we can see down.
So nice. It's so big in here.
Look at the storage.
Oh my God.
Like, are you kidding?
No, stop.
A whole.
That's
I
insane.
know.
Oh my God.
It's like, it's too good.
Damn.
It's too good.
I'm actually like, I don't know what to do.
Okay, this is my room. So weird. My childhood bedroom. Empty. Sad. I'm adulting. Oh my God. Okay, we just did the final load of stuff. Yeah, now we're going to go there and the boys are gonna go to my boyfriend's, but we're gonna stay back and do some organizing. So let's do it. My job is to hold the door. Okay, we've got everything inside. And then they're gonna go get stuff from my boyfriend's house, but we're gonna try and put the rug out with the couch. Then I gotta start organizing. Much, Maya, for helping. And I'm gonna organize stuff while I wait for them. So this is so crazy sitting in here, you guys. Like, I really manifested my dream place. Like, having a place was on my vision board and I'm in it, and it's like, what the hell? And it's perfect and I love it, and what the hell? Crazy. So grateful. I don't even know what to do with myself. Like, hello, I'm gonna maybe order like some food for the guys when they get back, so that they can eat something. And then my mom's gonna come and she'll be a huge help with organizing. Like, I honestly don't even want to start until she's here because she just knows what to do, you know what I mean? But yeah, I put the food in the fridge and yeah, so crazy, and I can't wait to see once like everything's done. Like, once we have the TV up and stuff, like, we'll definitely be able to just chill tonight and it'll be amazing. Food is secured. Just got some pizzas. No cutlery, so we've got paper plates. Yeah, no cutlery, so just gotta use the fingers. Oh my God, I look so greasy. Anyways, my mom's here now to help with organizing. She's the organization queen, so that'll be so good. I need to wash my face. I need to shower. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is my queen. Yes. So we're gonna start organizing the kitchen. She's gonna help me since we've got everything in boxes. I didn't even know where to start, so. We have moved on to the bathroom. So lots of storage in here and that whole thing, which is really nice. And I got some cute striped towels from IKEA.
You don't want to see me.
We're pretty much done with the bathroom. Got all our stuff in here. Towels, storage down there. We're gonna do the bedroom. I brought the vanity in. We've got a nice large closet to fill.
Game time.
Gonna do my active wear because I have so much. Oh yeah. Hi you guys, I look crazy. I say this in every clip, but it's the next day. I am alone right now, so I'm gonna go through this closet before work, try and get some done. Yes, so this is what we're working with. I put all my activewear here, and I have my hoodies up there and just like my crew necks and sweats here. I'm gonna start doing like pants and stuff here, heels. The thing is, I might need to use the whole closet. I think we'll get another dresser to put right against this wall for my boyfriend. Oops, I'm taking the whole closet. Oops, sorry. I just have so much stuff. So yeah, we'll see how much I can get done in the next hour.